Another day, another shoe unboxing. Guys, I'm so excited for this one. So excited. Another shoe to add to the wall. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen them before. But honestly, they deserve their own video because they are just that good. So you know what? Let's just hop into it. Enough talking from me. Today we are unboxing a new pair of Amina Muaddi. These are a pair of the collabs with, I'm not even gonna try that, but this down here. I am so stoked. These are stunning shoe. Anyways, let's hop in. All right, we open it. First of all, the color of the box, I can't. Like, the style of the box, because it is a collab piece, it is black instead of the original Amina color. And I love that with the gold detailing. Inside, as you guys can see, we have a stunning dust bag, just the one. And I never understood, actually, I don't like when shoes give me two dust bags. I just want to put my pair of shoes in the same bag together. But this stunning dust bag in this satin material with the same black and gold, and even the tissue paper. Like, I love a moment that is extremely aesthetic. Black and gold all the way through. All right, so peel back all the tissue paper. And we in here. Moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. Let me just get them out of these plastics. And we have the stunning Amina Muaddi Rainbow Crystal Satin Black. Gladdy Satin Black. LSD Gladdy Satin Black. That is a mouthful. It's the Amina Muaddi LSD Gladdy Satin Black. Stunning. And these are the rainbow ones. This also comes in a black with the white crystals and in the same height of wrap up and all the way up your thigh, but I went with these. I feel like this was just more fun. Like, I have a lot of black in my closet, so love this, but I especially love the rainbow colors. I was just, you know, the summertime's got me in a mood where I'm wearing colors and I'm opening my wardrobe to new things. So I was like, why, girl? Why get the plain white crystals? Let's get the colorful one. And I think I made the right decision. These are absolutely fantastic. They don't come with the extra heels, but because they're so big, they don't get damaged the same way the small heel plug things do get damaged. So it's just the shoes and the dust bag that this comes with, but it's just friggin' fantastic. So for sizing, I sized up half a size. So these are an 8.5. I am normally a size 8. I would say that they fit perfectly in the 8.5. Let's go into my rating system. So for comfort, now I've only worn them around the crib, and let me tell you guys, though it's not outside, I do get my wear in around the crib. I've been wearing them non-stop. That's how I am with new shoes, new clothes, new whatever. I wear them non-stop. So honestly, if I could wear them to bed, I would wear them to bed. But it's probably been a full 3 or 4 days where I'm wearing them all day. They're, I will say, a 7 out of 10 for comfort. The other pair of Amina Muaddis I have were actually fantastic for comfort. But these ones, I feel, because of this strap, like, no, there's no sandal that I have that has these little straps that are comfortable to me, like 100% comfortable to me. And because it doesn't have like a ankle strap to secure you in, there's a bit of flopping, I guess, out of it when I'm walking. Just a touch, because these are perfect for my size. It's just a touch of that. For style, friggin' 10 out of 10, girl. Like, how could you not give this baby a 10? It is absolutely stunning. This will jazz up every single one of your black outfits. And if you're like me and you wear black a lot, or like neutral colors a lot, this is it. Like, this is the one. I just have no bad things to say about this. An all black outfit plus this, a mini dress plus this. Like, I wear this to weddings. I 100,000% I'm gonna wear this to people's weddings. Like, just so good. And the times, like how often you can wear it, how versatile it absolutely is. And because of the rainbow colors, you can wear it with all of these color outfits too and tie it together. Like, I have this green dress that I think would look fantastic with this. Just so versatile. So style, 10 out of 10. One thing I will say about the shoe that I don't love is because it is a tie-up style shoe, and all of them are like this. Like I have a lot of lace-up shoes. I'm a big fan of lace-up tie-up shoes. They don't secure you in well because there's no clasp or anything to make sure. But the way these are done so that it fits anybody who buys them, you know, if you have big calves or small calves, like you can adjust the sizing. But like the string, I guess, itself, or the lace up itself, it's in the satin material throughout the shoe, so it is a bit slippery. So even if I double knot it at the top of my calf, it's not 100% secure. So after walking for a while, it does get looser and looser, so you do have to retie the shoe over time. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for a stunning pair of shoes that is honestly a head turner. The girl is fantastic. The girl is gorgeous. I'm so excited about these shoes to be in my wardrobe just in time for summer, and just in time for maybe being let out of this lockdown hell that I'm in. These are going to see some patios, a lot of patios, and these head turners, just stunning. Amina Muaddi, you did it again. You did it again. And I'm so happy I went with these. So happy I went with these. Anyways, that's it for me. My quick little review and unboxing of my new Amina Muaddi sandals. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My shoe gals, let me know what your newest shoe purchase is so I can live vicariously through you. I'll see you guys next time.